How I lost 23 pounds in 12 weeks, eating 3 to 4 pounds of food per day. Hi, I'm Dave Ledoux. My friends call me Coach Dave or Hey Ledoux. I'm a CrossFit Masters athlete, a coach, and a mentor. You know how most people try 3 to 4 diets per year and fail? I help people eat for performance and hit their goals. Let me tell you a quick story. The year was 2006. I wanted to compete in my first jiu-jitsu tournament at age 38. I weighed 166 pounds. I went to my coach. I said I would love to compete as a featherweight at 145. He said, let's put a plan together. We laid out a step-by-step blueprint of what to eat and how to train. And the friends at the gym would say, Dave, are you eating again? I was eating all the time. I had tons of energy. I stepped on the scale at 143. That's a 23-pound weight loss, training 3 to 4 times a week and eating 3 to 4 pounds of food a day. Over the last 15 years of working with CrossFit athletes, mixed martial artists, law enforcement, housewife students, every walk of life, we've refined and created a step-by-step tutorial, literally a blueprint of how to hit your weight loss goals and how to eat for performance. I call it the perfect plate. Would you like a copy of that mini class tutorial? Step 1. If you would hit the like button on this video, it would mean the world to me. Step 2. Go to www.wolfpack33.com. That's my website. That's my support community for my athletes. wolfpack33.com. And step 3, request the tutorial. I'll send it right over to you, and I'll see you on the other side of the tutorial. Coach Dave out. You got this. Have an amazing day.